Odan CTC TV. The American piano of Anissa. Odan for na Jatum. Tell party. What I say, what Jatum? Tell party Jatum. Odan for Jimudi. Monty Tum. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place, Blaster place, no. Ghana local place, no. All of the City TV. City na footballer
in the past 50 years in the Republic of Ghana's history of sport. Ladies and gentlemen, if I were you, I'll be outstanding, celebrating the man who wore the number 10 jersey, representing the Republic of Ghana in all the amazing exploits across the world.
Three-time African footballer on the road. He did it long before the Etophels, the Messi and others could dream of picking those awards on the trot. Maestro Abedi Ayew Pele, the evergreen.
We're celebrating Abedi Ayew Pele, the most outstanding footballer in the last 50 years. On this music. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the maestro. Thank you so much, Abedi, for all you've done for Mother Ghana. And Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the ultimate ambassador. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, Professor Azuma Nelson. Azuma Nelson is the all-time sports personality. Ghana's all-time sports personality. Incredible feat. The man who held the heart and the pulse of the nation decade in, decade out, keeping us right glued to the TV set.
Every time we woke up at night to watch him, we were tired, but it was all worth it.
It was
because
phenomenal.
You knew he would make you proud.
Phenomenal. Mr. Father and Son. Ladies and gentlemen, Azuma Nelson, the greatest all-time sports personality. Let's put our hands together. He transcends decades. He transcends a century. We're celebrating Ghana's finest sporting personalities. If I were you, I'll put my hands together. Let's celebrate him. Let's celebrate him. Ghana's all-time sports personality. Your Excellency, the President will forgive me. Ladies and gentlemen, the foreign-based male footballer of the year goes to Antoine Semenyo.
Antoine Semenyo of Bournemouth FC is honored as the SWAT Foreign-Based Player of the Year for his outstanding contribution to Ghanaian football on the international stage in 2025. With his dynamic performances in the English Premier League, Semenyo consistently showcased pace, precision and goal-scoring prowess, becoming a key figure in Bournemouth's attacking lineup. His impact extended to the national team, where he played a pivotal role in Ghana's qualification campaign to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Antoine's excellence abroad continues to elevate Ghana's reputation in global football. Congratulations, Antoine Semenyo.
Congratulations, Antoine Semenyo. Your Excellency, from there.
Awards. Mr. Barisford Amui, Asamoah Gyan Dede Ayew, Anthony Yeboah, Stephen Appiah, and Ni Ayibonte II.
Beresford Ni Amui is celebrated by the Sports Writers Association of Ghana with the Lifetime Achievement Award. This award acknowledges his career characterized by unwavering passion and groundbreaking contributions that have significantly shaped and enriched the Ghanaian sports media and administration. His legacy of excellence and mentorship continues to resonate throughout the sporting community. contribution to Ghanaian and African football, Asamoah Gyan is honored with the SWAG Lifetime Achievement Award. Of his outstanding contribution to Ghanaian football, SWAG proudly confers the Lifetime Achievement Award on Dede Ayew, a distinguished athlete whose career and exemplified excellence, leadership, and national pride. Beyond the pitch, Ayew has been a symbol of discipline, humility, and patriotism, embodying the value of SWAG seeks to uphold. On the 50th SWAG Award, SWAG honors Dede Ayew.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Minister, for doing the presentation, and congratulations, gentlemen. You have served the nation, made the nation proud, and it is only right that we recognize you tonight. Thank you very much, sir, and congratulations again, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Honorable Ministers of State, Members of Government, the AIPS President, Presidents of the Sports General in Togo and La Côte d'Ivoire, the President's members, and patrons of SWAG. I like your name, SWAG. Invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Oh, good evening. Thank you very much. We met a year ago to celebrate the 2024 SWAG Awards, which was postponed to early this year, and I'm pleased to join you again at the 50th edition of this awards. As I mentioned last year, the acronym SWAG suits this group. Just look at you in this room. You are truly SWAG. For half a century, this event has celebrated Ghana's sportsmen and women, and for that reason, I feel very honored to represent His Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, SWAG has chronicled moments of triumph, loss, discipline, and evolution of sports in this country. Well done. This has encouraged all of us to celebrate our heroes, our heroines, critique our structures, hold our sports ecosystem to high standards. This Golden Jubilee is an opportunity to look back with pride and to look forward with purpose. Ghana is blessed with talent, and the talent is found in our communities, in our schools, streets, and stadia. We have seen many athletes rise from modest circumstances to international prominence. That's what Ghana can do. For instance, and I don't want to repeat everything that the minister has said, but the record is very, very impressive, and we should be very, very proud of our sportsmen and our sportswomen. Well done again. The potential of our sportsmen and women is therefore undeniable, and talent must be supported with investment. Victory is won on the track and on the field. It is also earned during the training and planning stages, and it is prepared for with infrastructure, policy, and investment. Investment means continuing our inter-school competitions, community sports programs, academies, and talent identification structures. Under the leadership of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ghana's sports and recreation sector is determined to rebuild grassroots systems. Stadium. Thanks for raising the minute of silence, and I pray that we all remember their families and their loved ones during this very, very difficult time. Distinguished guests, the ministry system is designed to replace largely manual,
challenging combined events and for elevating the profile of Ghanaian women athletes globally. The Sports Writers Association of Ghana proudly honors you, the multi-talented force, Margaret Simpson, a true champion, record breaker, and pioneer, the Swag Awards Golden Jubilee Ambassador.
Thank you very much, Margaret Simpson, for never yielding. Your Excellency, we invite on stage next Asamoah Gyan, women's football. Anniversary celebrations of the Sports Writers Association of Ghana. Founded on August 3, 1968, the Sports Writers Association of Ghana mooted the Swag Awards in 1972, but effectively hosted the event in 1975, and we find this golden jubilee of the Swag Awards quite cherishing. Of that establishment, the celebration of an event that honors sportsmen and sportswomen is of greater importance and joy. Our celebration is not so much a festivity, but a solemn occasion to pause and look back at this 50-year journey, a moment to look ahead at the mountains we must still climb. So today, we pay homage to our founding fathers. Mr. Joe Larty, Africa's most legendary commentator of this generation, commenced the journey as SWAG's first president. Mr. Willie Kwate followed his trail before Mrs. Ohinibacha, Joagri, Ebo Kwansa, and Akaanfoli. Mr. Ken Bediako, our former vice president, who at 82 is still one of Ghana's most prolific writers, has always remained the backbone of this association. This has been a rather tough year for us as an institution, as we lost two of our former presidents, Ebo Kwansa and Akaanfoli, only a month separating their demise. May their souls find perfect peace with the Creator. 50 years of our existence provides us a perfect opportunity to reminisce the toil of our patrons who have been called by the Creator. These were the men and women whose counsel kept SWAG together: H.P. Nyamitei, S.K. Manu, B.A. Holbrook-Smith, Zach Bentu, D.A. Beasley, E.T. Kwashi, Dr. Yankansa Jan Asad Mala, C.K. Jamfi, D.G. Aframani, and Mrs. Theory Sokun have all sadly left us. They forever remain in our memories. As an institution that derives its existence from the guidance of its patrons, I'm extremely glad our new wave of patrons continue to inspire and ensure our solidity and cohesion. Thank you, Mrs. Walter Esposito, His Excellency Amaka Amate Fiu, Ambassador Rekwaku Kami Ofosubanfu, Ohinibacha Sesam Jonah, Joe Agri, Mrs. Gifty Anamaya Zimoko Vagino, and Nana Dr. Emmanuel Dusakode. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a night like this requires enormous resources. I crave your indulgence to thank our proud sponsors.